So this Peugeot 307 phase 2, also known as T6, is available for sale. It's a Nigerian used, and what's the color? I don't know is it gray or what? So these pictures I took them myself. The owner brought it to me, so because if I'm advertising any car for anybody, I prefer I take the pictures myself unless I know the car, or probably the state of the car. So I can, in that case, that's I know the car, not just that and a car I do not know about. So in that case, I can deal with the owner sending me the pictures. Um, so the car is a it has 5-speed manual gearbox and wireless. It has a petrol engine. You can see the mileage here on the instrument panel. Well, I didn't diagnose the car in terms of like running the scan or anything, but so far I didn't see any check engine light or any warning sign on the instrument panel. As you can see on the screen, the engine is running, and I actually drove the car, so nothing came up on the screen or the MFD, multifunction display. The interior looks quite good, well kept and maintained. Um, the whole doors were opening and shutting very well. None of them gave any problem, including the boot anyway as well. Yeah, I opened it and it opened okay. It's closed very okay. Uh, yeah. For those who are wondering, is it first body or second? No, it's not. It's been repented. So, if you're interested, you have to come and look at the car to know if you're okay with it. Like I said, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, it's a Nigerian used, not foreign used, direct foreign used. It's Nigerian used. Um, Honestly, the interior it looks very, very neat. As in, whoever the owner really kept it in good condition. He didn't really mess it up. Like some cars you see, and the interior will look very shabby or not well kept. The rim is 16, 1/6, and what the tires of the car, I think they're 195/65. Rim 16, 1/6. I didn't check the production years anyway, but I think they are probably still okay. Anyway, it's up to you to find out. Like I said, can look see the mileage there. Uh, this one I took the picture because I actually drove the car after I took the picture. So when I was driving off, I took it. So I'm about to gain speed before I now continue the drive. So the engine is 1.6 liter TU5JP4. That's the model number. 1.6, a petrol engine. So you've seen everything. So if you're interested, contact the owner of the car, who is also the seller. Contact him directly so that you go there and then discuss the price. Or you can call him and discuss the price with him. And he is one to tell you the price, not me. So you discuss if you're okay with the price, or probably you may want to see the car before you do the bargaining or whatever, or negotiation. You contact, just call. I'm going to put the owner's number on this video description, and then on the comment section I'll put it there, and then just a brief description of the car specifications. So I'll put it there, and you can then contact them to go and do your inspection, physical inspection, look at the car, check. Go with an expert. Don't just go if you are not uh, a technical person, well, especially on Peugeot system. Go at an expert, let him look at it. If there's any repairs that need to be done, he will tell you. You will also look at the car. If you don't like, if there's something you don't like and you feel that you don't want it, you walk away, or you can deal with it. Just look at the car and then decide. um so as for those who are wondering who is going to do the physical inspection, if you want, you can, I can do it for you, but it's not for free. If you want the one that people that can do it for free, then you can contact, there are other people that will do it, go there and check it for you for free, or maybe cheaper than I charge. So it's up to you. But my advice is just go and do the physical inspection. This advert is not it's not I'm not telling you, I'm not doing this advert as if I've done the inspection. I did not. All I did is snap the picture, started the car, test drove it, parked the vehicle, gave the owner back the key. So don't say I've inspected the car for you, so all you need to do is just to go and make your purchase. But like I said, find somebody who can do it for you. Check the car. If you, unless you can do it yourself. If you are very good with Peugeot systems to detect if there's any work that needs to be done physically, electrically, or stuff, fine. Go ahead and uh, do the auto. So that's all for this advert. I'm going to post the details, like I said, and then if you're interested, you can talk to the owner. All right.